Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. This week is week 46, and a couple days ago I had promised that I was going to come back and share what I did with these little houses that I got at Michael's, and so I'm here to share what I did with them. So again, I used the time cards from the Dollar Tree. I love using these things now. Before I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I do now, and I have to say I love creating with these. So I did a Christmas, it's almost like a card. You could definitely put this on, what do you call it, size 10 envelope, and just write in the back. You could put a piece of white paper and just write Merry Christmas. This would be really cute. So what I did was I had some scrap paper in my stash. I had some snowflakes. This is some eyelash trim that I glued at the top. I cut out the houses with brown cardstock just to make it look like a gingerbread house. And then I used some snow text. I love using this. I've had this in my stash for years. I have another one that I bought because I thought I was going to use it up because I barely have any, but I still have quite a bit left. I mean, it's not that much, but I mean, it goes a long, long way. So I've had this forever. You just have to make sure you tighten it real good so this doesn't dry out. But I've had this forever. So I just added to the tops of the houses and also on the bottom. I cut out some white paper with, these are old dies that I had in my stash. It is the Lawn Fawn stitched hillside borders. And I used that to make the hills. And then I used My Creative Times little sentiment. It says, Merry Christmas from our home to yours. And then more of that eyelash trim here. And I sprayed it with, oh, there it is. You can see it. It's so sparkly, with this hairspray glitter that I got at Spirit, that I bought from Spirit this year. And I just love the silver glitter that's on here. It is so I don't know if you can see it, but it is sparkly. Oh, can you see it? And some angles you can see it, some you don't. But it is so sparkly. There it is. So I really love it. So yeah, so this is for Deck the Year, week 46. I want to thank Penny for hosting this wonderful collaboration. I can't wait for what she has in store for us next year. Yeah, I'm already thinking about next year, guys. I don't know. It's November. It's almost the end of the year. I can't believe it. And I'm already thinking about next year. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Thursday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.